Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use surface tools in SolidWorks to learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New and select Part and select OK. Now select the plane. I am going to select right plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangular from origin. Give the dimension, this line dimension 100 and this line dimension 300. Now go to surface tools and select planar surface. Okay. Now go to here, select plane white. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the line here. Select here and here. Now give the this line dimension 265 and this line dimension 80. Okay. Now select here this line and this are tangent. Now delete the tangent. Just moving here. Okay. This line control this line tangent. Okay. Now give the this line dimension 5 and I'm going to just moving from origin delete just moving here this point and this point distance 10. This line and this line given degrees 79 degree and this line and this line given degree 11. Okay. Now go to isometric view and select surface tools and select trim. Just select here, keep selection. Okay. Now I'm going to here again sketch. Now select here again. Now I'm going to here use fillet. This line and this line select fillet 40. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now select here surface tool, offset tools. Now I'm going to here offset to 150. Okay. Now I am going to select lofted tools. This line and this line select. Okay. Now I am going to use boundary tools. These are select and these are. Okay. Now I am going to again select lofted. This line and this line select. Okay. Now go to again isometric view. Now I am going to add need tool select this face, this face and this face, this face. Select Mars. Okay. Now go to here. This face and scales. Now draw the circle here. Now give the dimension 200. Now here given dimension 40. Okay. Now here select going to surface trim. Just select here. Keep selection. Okay. Okay. This face and scales. Now this line combined is okay. Now exit here. Now go to right plane and reference geometry plane and select here. Okay. Now this plane and scales. Now draw the line here. Give the value this line 250. Okay. Or 150. Now make the center line. Okay. Now go to here, sweep surface. Now this circle select. Now here select profile. This circle profile. Okay, now you can here this plane and scales. Now go to here, select extrude surface. Now here give the dimension 200, 150. Okay. Now go to this plane height, no need. This is case, no need. Now go to here, need surface, this and this, Mars. Okay. Now go to again here, reference geometry plane, select here, 150 distance. Okay. Now this plane and scales. Now this is converted is and select here line. Now going to select surface and planar surface. Okay. Now this line height. Now go to need surface. This select and this select. Okay, Mars. Now this is fillet 10. This select 10. Okay. Now here's fillet select 5. This is select 5. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now top plane select and scales. Now draw the hair slot, straight slot. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 40. This point and this point, this line dimension 20, 25. Okay. Select midpoint, control this point, vertical. These are dimension 5, 35. Go to isometric view, surface and select trim. Okay. Okay, make our job. Now go to isometric view and select thicken given below 1. Okay. Now go to hair, select shaded tools. Now go to hair, metal, select plastic, plastic select, patterned select. Okay. Make our job. We are learn now extrude surface and lofted and boundary and planar surface and offset and neat surface and thicken and trim surface. Okay. Thank you all everyone. Share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.